Hello students, today we will be discussing some more new transactions with you for the chapter accounting equation. Now before I start, I would like to recollect yesterday's or my old transaction. So now the old equation which we have got from third transaction, that is cash of rupees 50,000, goods of rupees 20,000, furniture of rupees 5,000. Liability, we have no such liabilities, and our capital is 75,000. Now we will start with the new transaction, that is transaction number 4, purchase goods on credit for rupees 16,000. So here cash, since it is a credit purchase, that means cash has not been paid for the time being presently. So there is no involvement of cash, so cash remains as it is, so we put here a 0. Goods, since we are purchasing more goods, so we are just adding it up as 16,000. Furniture, there has been no input of furniture, no purchase of furniture, so it remains same as here. Now since it is a credit purchase, so we will be having creditors for to whom we have to pay in future, so that becomes as 16,000, and your capital, there has been no addition or decrease in the capital, so it remains as 0. Now the effect of this transaction can be written as a new equation, which gives us cash of rupees 50,000, goods rupees 36,000, that is 20,000 plus 16,000, furniture is 5,000, creditors here is 16,000, and my capital is 75,000. So we will add up the asset side, that gives us rupees 91,000. This I have written with pencil just for our verification. You also have to do it at the end of each and every step, at the end of each and every transaction. Okay, and here also liability and capital, that makes it 91,000. So that means we are correct up to this much. Now let us come to our fifth transaction, that is goods costing rupees 12,000 sold for credit rupees 15,000. That means here also same thing, we have got a credit sales for which the payment has not been received, so this becomes our debtors. Okay, and since the cost price was 12,000, selling price is 15,000, so there has been a profit of rupees 3,000. So let us see what is the effect of this transaction here. Cash remains 0 as there is no inflow of cash, that means no cash is being received. Goods minus 12,000, I put here minus. Okay, furniture as it is 0, debtors becomes 15,000. Creditors, there is no more creditors, no addition of creditors, so it remains 0, or a blank can be given. Capital is 75,000, plus we will have to add this profit with the capital. And whenever you have a profit or loss, that has to be adjusted with the capital. Okay, now since it is a profit, so we will add it up. Now let us see the new equation after fifth transaction. Cash 50,000, goods 24,000, furniture 5,000, debtors 15,000. Creditors 16,000, capital becomes 78,000. Now if we add this side, I get 94,000, here also 94,000. So that means this is correct. Now let us come to our last transaction. Paid rupees 1,000 as rent. So this is a cash payment. So that is why from cash I am writing minus 1,000. Goods, no input of goods. Furniture also no changes in furniture. Debtors also no change in debtors. Okay, creditors rupees 0, there has been no input of creditors. Capital minus 1,000, as we have paid the rent as an expense, so it is deducted from the capital also. Now our new equation is, we are getting cash rupees 49,000, goods 24,000, furniture 5,000, debtors 15,000. Okay, creditors rupees 16,000, capital rupees 77,000. Now here we come to the end of the sum, and since you know that accounting equation is a balance sheet equation, so we will depict this information or this input in the form of a balance sheet. So let us go to the balance sheet now. So children, here comes the balance sheet format. Balance sheet of X Limited. It has two sides, as you all know, liabilities and assets. In liabilities we have capital 77,000, creditors 16,000, and in the asset side we have cash 49,000, furniture 5,000, goods 24,000, debtors 15,000. We will simply write the final equation after our sixth transaction in the balance sheet. and if you add both the sides you'll get 93,000. It is very much important for both the sides of the balance sheet to tally. That means both the sides should be equal. If it is not so, that means there has been some mistake created by us, so we have to find it out. But in this case our balance sheet is perfectly tallied. So here we come to the end of the sum. I hope I am clear. If anyone has any problem, you can ask me. Tomorrow we will be discussing some other sums. Okay, till then all of you please go through this sum again. Thank you all.